To find the perimeter of a circle, we have to do circumference equal to PIR.
So it's pi, right? And a 2t, you know, guys, a pi. I just say it look like 2t. Mm-hmm.
Okay. 2, and then we do 2 times 3.14. We do
3.14. Yeah.
we'll do 3.14 because it's not a multiple of 7. 15 is not a multiple of 7. Then we'll do that times 15. Then we'll do C equals 2 times 15 times 3.14 meters equal. Okay, so we do 3.14 times 30 because 2 times 15 is 30. So I put the dot between the 3 and the 1. Then we do times 30. 0 times 4 is 0. So we put 0 under 1 as well. Under the 3 and then under the other 3 because 0 times anything is 0. And then we'll go at the second place now, sir, under the first 0. And then we'll put 0 as a placeholder. And then we'll do 3 times 4 equals 12. So put down the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So put down the 9. And then put our decimal point between the 4 and the 2 because there are 2 zeros in 20.
Oh, I'm going to talk to you about that when you finish here. All right.
And then we're going to put 0, then 2, then 4, then 9, then 9. Our answer would be 94. So the circumference of the circle is 94.20 meters.
Yeah, the answer is correct. All right. It's when you call in the decimal, this is not 3.14. You see, once you have the decimal point, we got digits. So it's 3.14. All right. All right. And next thing is when you multiply in the decimal, you don't have to put the decimal. You literally just say 314 times 30. You see, after you finish multiplying, that's when you put in the point box. Let me show you how. So let's say you said put a placeholder here because you will get base 0, right? So 3 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 4 is 3 1 is 3 and that 4, and 3 4 is 12. No. 3 1 is 3 and that 9, right? Yeah, so 94. How do you get the 0? The decimal point, you go back to this. How many decimal places? So because you have 2 decimal places here, or 2 numbers after the decimal point, we do the same thing here. So very good. This is correct. Good job. We're going to do another one, guys. Thanks so much, Zaria. Right, go ahead, Nikita.
So C equals 2 pi r. C equals 2 times 3.14 times 21. C equals 2 times 21
times 3.14. Twenty-one times 2 is 42, so 42 times 3.14. There, can you set it out?
You have to tell me how to set it out. What
Okay,
should I
so
write?
4 here. Under the bottom, 42. Four times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 3 is 6. Cross out the 2. So cross out the 2. Put a 0 for a placeholder. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus the 1. Put the 6 here. And then add the 1 at the top. 4 times 1 is 4 plus the 1 equals 5. 4 times 3 is 12. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus the 1. So I put 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So the decimal sign should go 2 places to your left. So our answer is 131.88 meters.
All right. Good job. Very good job, in fact. But look at this. Remember what we said. Who know? We could have done it another way. Junique, you want to address that? You think we could have done it the other way to make it easier for us?
Yes, sir.
How? All right, go and think about it. Deisha, you think you could have done it an easier way in this particular one?
Yes, sir.
How?
I think you could say C equals 2 pi r, C equals 2 times 22 over 7 times 21 meter.
All right, work it out. I'm at them. I call you start already.
So you say 22 over 7 times 21 over 1. So 7 into itself goes 1 time, and 7 into 21 goes 3 times. Then 22 times 3 is 66. And then you say C equals 2 times 66. And then you say 6 times 66 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 carry the 1. 2, 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So C equals 132 meter.
Thank you so much. Guys, remember we say if the radius is a multiple of 7, we can use 22 over 7. So that's the main difference. And you can see it's actually more accurate when you use the 22 over 7 in that case. But guess what? The condition must be it's a multiple of 7. When Zaria was presented the first one, she said that She said, since 15 is not a multiple of 7, we're going to use 3.14. You see, sister, I forgot nothing, guys. So my memory work. Like, we can just remember everything. All right? Very good. Thank you so much, Desha. Thank you so much, Nikayla, as well. Both presenters, you both did well. So, guys, make sure you have both of them. I know most persons did the 3.14, but remember, once it's a multiple of 7, we can use that. Zaria also used that. I saw she gave me 132. So 2 persons recognize it. All right? Guys, we can't forget nothing what we learn. Everything what we learn, we have to keep it. Can't we say, oh, we did that summer school, so we forget it. Because September now a new month. Or say, oh, October a different month. We have to keep studying, we have to keep practicing. Remember, we want to be the very, very best. And we can't be the best by being lazy. No one has ever done that. Unless a history we are going to create, right? Being lazy and become the best. People are working hard. So we have to work. No one must outwork us. You understand, guys? They're not supposed to study more than we, practice more than we, be more consistent than we. Nobody in a life don't make nobody outwork you. No hard sir work, hard. Nobody can outwork me. You understand? Alright, I'm gonna look on one more and then we're gonna start the area as promised, alright?
So first, I put 2 times 22 over 7 times 21. And then 7 goes into 28 4 times. And 7, 1. So that equals to 88. 88 times 2 give us 176.
There's a 22 times 4. That's it?
Yes, sir.
Something is missing. Who can tell me? Nikita, what is missing?
I'm
Zara,
you, sir.
what is missing?
The unit.
The meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, it's a length, guys. It's the length of the circle, literally. So we can't just say 176. It's 176 meters. It's correct, though. Alright, make a note of it, please. Alright, we're gonna use this one as an example, alright? Welcome, Xavier. Alright, so area is the number of squares. Number of square units it takes to cover a surface, a shape, or a figure, right? So, what we're gonna do now, guys, consider this 4 going across, 4 going down, right? So it's gonna be 4 by 4. So let me see if I can get it line up properly. I think it got too big. The space here too big. Right, let me see if we can put it here, so, and then adjust it, alright? Alright, let me see if we can go back one shape. The space here a little bit too big. And put it like this, alright. And 4 as well. Why I'm trying to get it perfect, these supposed to be 1 by 1 squares. All of this 1 meter, so 1 meter, so right? Area is literally counting how many squares there are. So we literally count them and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 meter by 4 meters square would give you a total of 16 square meters. See it? That is why I put the 2, because this is saying that it's 16 squares. So it's literally the number of squares that it takes to cover the surface. Someone sent me the answer and said it's 16. That would not be correct. It's 16 square meters. Alright? Or we say meter square. We use that term. Make a note of it, please. That's our first example. We're running video. Alright, so 5 meters by 5 meters. So that means 5 across, 5 down. Let's see if we can get it neat as possible. We get 5. Alright, so that's a 1. It one a little bit close-ish, 2. 3. This is going to split in 2 now, so automatically I'm going to be 5, right? Now 5 across now. So represent this one. One. 2. Kind of leanish, you know, but okay. Work with it still. So let's count them to see how many. That's literally how we find area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it's 5 meters by 5 meters is going to give us 25 square meters. I want you guys to tell me how else we could have done this. Say we didn't want to bother to write down all of these boxes. How else we could have done it?
So by multiplying.
By multiplying what? You can't just say by multiplying.
By multiplying 5
With
times 5.
5 meters
Multiplying
by 5
5
meters.
by 5.
Yes, sir.
That is,
Multiply the length by the width.
I agree. Very good. I agree. Yeah.
You multiply 5 meters square by 5 meters.
Sir, you multiply 5 meters.
It's not meter square by meter square, you know, it's 5 meters by 5 meters, because remember, I'm actually happy that you said that. Remember, this is the length, right? This is the length. So length would be meters, just like when you have the perimeter. This is meter. All right, this is meter. It's when time we multiply now, because we're gonna basically do something like this. See how many squares it will take to cover it. That's when we get the square. Because these are 1 by 1 squares, or 1 meter by 1 meter squares. All right. So it's not meter square we multiply, but meters. So it's 5 meters by 5 meters. All right. Make a note of it. You know, I know you guys like activities. We're gonna do 1. We're not gonna stay very long on this because I'm expecting everyone to actually get it. Well, let us see how it goes.
So, sir, I don't really draw the lines. I just multiply them. Do I still have to draw the? Do I still have to say to draw the line, sir?
No, I'll give you that option.
Sir, so basically, all I'm doing is multiplying the length by the width, sir. So the length is 3 and the width is 3, sir. So 3 meters times 3 meters would equal, sir, 9 meters square, because 3 times 3 equals 9.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna agree with that, but I also want to make the point of something that I saw. Unacceptable, guys. Let me show you what I saw. My students did. Someone said 3 meters times 3 meters is equal to 9 meters. This cannot be. All right. It's the number of squares. This is length. The 9 meters is length. Just like I measure something, and this measure 9 meters, right? But the answer is how many squares cover this. I'm gonna do the thingy here. So 1, 2, 3. The size is a little bit off, but can work with it, alright? See it? It's 9 squares. Literally, that's what the answer is. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing this with my grade 3, you know. And trust me, they're awesome at it. They don't miss. So it's 9. You don't want this, alright? You have to have the correct unit in order for it to be totally correct. This is partially correct when it says 9 meters. Thanks so much, Nikela. Make a note of it if you did not have the square. Alright, so here we have a rectangle, right? And it's a 3 by 4. So what this means, you see this 3 here? It means that you should have 3 squares going across. So 1, all right, and this now 4 going this, so you should get 4 squares on this side. This look like it's too small. No. 1, 2. So you see it? We have the 3 right here on this side. So we get 1, 2, 3. You see? And we have the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very important. All right. So let's count how many in all. Could change the color. Because we're not boring, right? So 1, 2, a joke, yeah? So boring. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore, a rectangle 3 meters by 4 meters is going to give us total of 12 square meters. Literally count them. Alright, or you can say 3 times 4 is 12. I would love for you guys to learn how to draw it, because sometimes in the performance task they will say somebody tiling and they're doing a 4 by something and they ask you to draw it. I don't want that to reach us and we don't know the orientation. We don't know 3 by 4 versus the 4 by 3. You understand, guys? Because the 4 by 3 would be different, you know. So before going up and then 3. So I want you guys to do that. Alright, make a note of it, and then we do 1, and Shiloh will walk us through.
So, sir, the area for this ship is 20 meters square. And the way you find out how you get this, first we draw the lines. So going down or horizontally, we go by 5 lines.
But that's actually vertically, right? The
Oh,
upright
yes,
one, yeah. Forgive, sir. Major, it's space too small. As in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Oh Lord.
Yes, sir.
Wonder if one could draw the big one. Hold on, let me see some. I could get back that one. See if I can carry this. Yeah, because it's supposed to be 5. Alright, continue.
So and now horizontally,
Yeah.
we're going by 4. So four lines. And then we just count our squares or
Excellent.
thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can just multiply 4 meters by 5 to get 20 meters square.
Yeah. Alright. Well done. Alright. So guys, we have one more to do for the day. I'm just gonna change the dimension, and then you guys just do it, alright? I find a way that I can actually edit back this, Let's see if I can move it, the entire thing. Alright. Oh, it's just the box.
Yeah.
Mad. Yo. We live and we learn, guys. We live
Good job.
and we learn. Yeah. We live and we learn. Alright, so let me just change the dimension, and then you guys can. So this one will be the last one for today. So we're gonna go to the triangle next, and then the dreaded circle next week.
You're going to draw. So, sir, you're going to draw 5 lines across.
Agree. I read the 4, but me understand what you mean. So we have 5 of these.
Then 6 lines from the top to the bottom.
My level class good today. Other than the first part, good.
Shiloh,
Other than the first part
Shiloh,
was
your mic is
amazing.
open here.
Other than the first part was good.
Let me mute Shiloh, okay? My chat. Hold on, this not even realize. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just split it in a 2. Alright, are you that Zana?
Then you're going to count it.
Alright. Oh Lord. 24. What's the answer?
The answer is 30 meters.
Everyone agree? Do we agree with Zanaya?
No, sir.
No, sir, she did not
No,
put
sir.
The square.
she did not put the square.
Thank you.
Square
Thank
No,
you,
sir.
guys. That's what the length. That's like you're finding the perimeter. All right, you have to put the square because it's literally 30 squares. All right, guys. So I'm gonna post the video. Someone said I should post it immediately. I will. Take care until I see you guys in the mental ability class. All right, everyone, take care.
Bye,
And
sir.
be safe, guys. Be safe.
Bye,
Well done,
sir.
Amari. Great job. And please
Bye,
practice,
sir.
guys. Bye. Take care. See you guys soon. All right. Everybody's
Yes,
supposed to
sir.
practice, guys. Every single person. All right. We don't wait until near exam. We try cramming things in our brain. We learn it the right way so we can perform at a top level. All right. You guys should be doing city and guild stage 3, you know. Anybody from PEP want to do it?
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care, Anna. Anna Leah.
You too, sir.
All right, Justin. Yeah, man, I will. Thanks.
Sir, how did Melissa treat you?
Oh, Osh Marley, don't worry, man. Internet soon be back and everything. All right. Just take it
Sir,
one day at
how
a time.
did Melissa treat you?
You have to text me because you have break up here.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Great job, same way. Because you managed to do your work same way, so that's good. You know, you have to think about that as well. That is a plus.